Welcome back, and thank you for joining me for yet another video. This video will be about shaving your face, also known as dermaplaning. I like to start off by cleaning my face with micellar water, or witch hazel. And I clean it really good, nice and thorough with it, because once you're shaving your face, you're pretty much taking off a layer of skin, and you don't want to get any bacteria or germs or anything onto your skin because your pores are open, everything's open. Next step, I usually moisturize. I don't like to use anything else but my skin facial moisturizers, and I'll put a light layer on because I just don't like to shave dry. It's uncomfortable and it just makes my skin even more drier. So these are the blades that I use. They look like basic blades you would use for shaving your eyebrows, but it has an attachment. You can use it for shaving your eyebrows as well. I usually clean the blade, even though it comes out of the package. I clean the blade with a spray bottle of alcohol, and I just let that sit for a second just to be even more safer about cleanliness and everything like that. And as you can see, I have a lot of hair on my face, guys. I messed up the video, but as you can see here, this is what came off of my face after doing the shaving, derma planning, whatever. This is everything. The little white specks, that's dead skin and hair mixed together. I really wish the video worked and I was gonna be able to get a video of me actually doing it, because that would have been perfect. And after, I usually always put aloe on my skin to soothe it, which helps a lot. I know a lot of people do get red, which is understandable. If you go too hard on it and press too hard, you can get some red spots and everything. I think I went a little too hard right around my nose, which I always do. But you have to go in different directions when you're on your face. Like different directions when it comes to coming down this area. You just kind of got to feel where your skin is pulling and then kind of turn and move it in the direction you need to, so you don't scratch or cut yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much all I do. And I usually don't wear makeup the day that I do it, because I want my skin to fully recover from it, and I don't want to put anything into my pores. Everything is open and exposed right now, and I leave the aloe on for a couple hours. I rinse it off and I put another fresh coat on. So yeah, that's how I do my shaving, and skin always looks so nice and feels so smooth after. But I don't do this but maybe once a month at the most. Once a month. I am very hairy, so I will grow my hair all over my face, a little peach fuzz. My makeup lays down so much better after I do it. Yeah, different reasons, and I can always feel like my face is a little bit more lighter from dead skin buildup and scraping it off and everything. Like I said, I don't go really hard. I just go hard enough where I'm removing hair and I see dead skin coming off, which you really don't need to go that hard. And then, like I said before, after I do aloe all over my skin to soothe it. So, and that's fresh aloe, not aloe vera gel. I have a whole bunch of aloe plants outside, and I just pick one of the vines. Pick one of them off and I just kind of rub it all over. Yeah, so let me see. I think I still have it over here. The one that I used on the video, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and I threw it away. But yeah, here it is right here. My aloe that I used, and it's still a little wet. I can probably get a little bit off if you can see that. You got a little still on there, stickiness, that's perfect. And I'll rub it in the spots that feel a little bit more tender or sensitive or anything like that. And yeah, perfect. All right, that's it. Thanks.